'cause let's get natural.
Pause, reverse, let's start again. I'm heading to meet Maggie and Kalina at mine and Maggie's new house, and then we're gonna go camping, and it's really crappy weather, but you know what? I don't even care. Let's go. I don't know if we're gonna fit everything into my car, but we'll see. Success. We successfully packed up all our things in the car. Now we're hitting the road for reals.
Want to talk about where we are right now?
Not on
Alana? Alana, where are we?
Like, I got on the highway going south, I think, but I think I needed to be going north.
To the North Bruce Peninsula? Where we're going?
It's a really foreign concept, I know. We're hoping they have firewood at Timber Mart.
Timber!
That's promising.
Timber!
No timber.
It's a hard no.
But we found a place that does. So how are we cutting this wood?
We're not.
We're not.
Everybody's asking where you've been. No, no. I tell them that you're just a picture in a frame. I dissolve with the salt on your skin. I know that we shouldn't be doing this so low. Focus on my tone.
I'm so happy right now. Like, look at this.
Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo. Breathe in, let go. Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo. Listen, let go. Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo.
This is why you just don't eat chips before a hike and not bring water with you.
Actually, you have to try this. Well, like, are you riding it with me?
Cute. Well, it is 7:45. The sun's supposed to set soon, but it's also cloudy, so it probably is setting sooner. And we are definitely running out of light.
And we might have 2.5 kilometers left of our hike.
So who knows? We might be hiking in the dark, which...
No flashlight.
So...
Adventure!
Woo!
Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo. In slow-mo. In slow-mo.
Day number 2, we had a little bit of a conniption with our batteries again. I lost the one. I completely dropped it on the ground. We went for like an 1.5 hour hike, and then I realized on the hike that I think I had dropped it near our campsite. Came back and I found it. So it's all good now, but
She drove over it.
yeah, it's fine. So I didn't record very much of the night last night. Right now we're going on a hike.
My balance on these tight ropes, hanging from my high hopes, drowning in an empty sea. Part of you, part of me, and anything we wanna be. Tell me yes or tell me no. Jealous as the day that you gotta find the antidote. Your hands at my throat.
So we finished our hike and we're just eating some sandwiches that have vegetables, pepper, hummus, and avocado.
It's the vegan dream. Just doing the dishes.
Disgusting.
Almost clean.
We're about to start our final hike before we hit the road and start heading back home. We're stopping at Pike Lake tonight. It's Maggie's grandma's trailer. And yeah, so we're gonna crash there. We're kind of rushing this one because we want to get to the trailer before sundown. So.
Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo. Breathe in, let go. Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo. Listen, let go. Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo.
So we made it to the lookout, and I'm still a chicken. I hate heights. Whew, it's beautiful though. Like I like this. I just don't like being where they are.
Feel your heartbeat stutter in slow-mo. In slow-mo.
So we are wrapping up the 2-day trip at Pike Lake for sunset. So I think this is the end of the vloggy. Goodbye for now. Love each other.
That could be the end of the vlog.